Hi, I'm JC Peretz, and I'm here with Rob Koyfman of Koyfin. So why don't you explain to our audience, what is Koyfin?
Yeah, so Koyfin is a financial data and analytics platform. Basically, we give you a lot more functionality than you would have otherwise on a lot of websites. So we bring together a lot of interesting data, focus on equities and ETFs. But we have really powerful data related to fundamentals, to macro instruments, FX, commodities, indices, and we make that data really easy to access and really easy to analyze.
Yeah, the interest rate stuff that you guys are doing is fantastic as well. One of the things that I've loved about you since the beginning, full disclosure, we are investors in Koyfin. I was talking with my friend David Keller, and one of the things that we both agreed that we like about you is that you listen. I couldn't tell you, and he agrees, I couldn't tell you how many times over the years I've been approached, hey JC, why don't you help us make our product better? Sure, happy to do it. And then I would just lay out, do this, do this, and then they wouldn't do anything. You know, David and I were just both joking, like we tell you something, you're like, yeah, all right, and then you just go build it, you know? So we really do appreciate that. Why don't you tell me a little bit about some of the things that you're building, what we can look forward to?
Yeah, I appreciate that, and I'd say one of the most frequent things we hear is that the users say, hey, we could tell that you used to be a trader, used to be a strategist because you're building stuff for us, and we could see that workflow and somebody understands the workflow, so thank you for saying that. So we have the functionality that we have coming out pretty soon is international equity, so really covering all stocks in the world, including prices, including full fundamentals, including estimates, and a really good screening tool. So being able to screen for stocks, whether it's on momentum or valuation or whatever it is, and adding those screened stocks to a dashboard. So that's the next leg of functionality.
So instead of looking at something like the Euro Stoxx 600 index itself, you can also break down and see all 600 stocks in the index, for example.
Yep, exactly. So you can really dive down into on a sector level, on a stock level, and understand what's going on.
And this is for every country in the world?
This is for every country in the world.
That's going to be a really powerful database. And when is this going to be rolled out?
So let's say in the next 2 to 3 months.
Oh wow, that soon?
Yeah.
All right, so international indexes, nice data. I'm certainly going to be an avid user of that.
India?
Obviously, I was going to say Nifty 100, Nifty 50. We go as high as the Nifty 500. I mean, we really break it down. It's a truly fascinating market, India. Tom Bruni is absolutely obsessed with it.
Absolutely.
We actually have some friends from India here, Akshay and Vishal. Okay, so international data, what else?
International data. And then one other thing that we're going to be releasing is really an upgrade to our graphing. So we're a data visualization platform. We built all the graphing from scratch. And from all the user feedback we've gathered over the past year since we launched, we're going to be releasing Graphs version 2, and it's going to give you a lot more flexibility on rearranging the graphs, putting indicators like, let's say you could graph a price chart with analyst ratings underneath, or analyst price targets, or estimate revisions. So really combining all the stuff we have and make it very flexible.
Nice. And so for those out there who have never heard of Koyfin, like where can they go, where can they download, like what do they need to do to start using it in their day-to-day process? Yeah,
so one of the things that we believe is making our system super accessible. So you go on our website, www.koyfin.com, sign up, should take less than 20 seconds, and start using it.
From the bottom of my heart, I really do wish you guys the best of luck.
Thanks so much, JC.